Well, one of the questions that's kind of surprising that I'll hear our clients ask us is, do we need to be home during the remodeling project? And we honestly leave that kind of up to the client. We don't mind if you're there or not. Some people choose to be away for the entire process. Maybe they winter in Florida or some warmer climate versus central Illinois. Or maybe they've got a week trip planned and they just want to be away while we're doing the demolition on the project. So either way is really fine with us. The only thing that we really need to make sure is that we have some sort of open line of communications with our clients while they're away, because questions will come up. We try to be very diligent about nailing things down before we start the project in our contract and design process. But questions do come up, updates, we need to communicate that way, and that's pretty easy to do with phones, FaceTime, those kinds of things today. We can even go ahead and post pictures and share those on a cloud-based platform that we have, so clients can kind of be in the loop as things are progressing and check in that way. So that's usually how we handle that.